Hey folks, we are back in Pilot Mountain for a progress update on this Big Swim Pond project. The upper pond shelves are getting shaped out and things are starting to take form. From the upper pond, there will be a negative edge waterfall that combines with the wetland streams, with all the water flowing into the main feature to create a series of impressive waterfalls. Let's go to Andrew and let him show us more of what's happening today.
All right, so we've got our swim pond walls in place. We've got them all bolted together. And now we need to fill the void with our clean gravel. And that is going behind the walls in between the liner. We've got our underlayment fabric down to protect it from this 78 clean gravel. It's got some sharper edges, so that's just gonna make sure we don't damage the liner any. We need to bring it all the way up a couple inches from the top of our walls. That gets us even with the top shelf here. Then we'll be able to put our decorative river gravel over the top, and that will fill out the top shelf in between our swim pond walls and the boulders that are going to be all around the pond, but on this backside here specifically, going up this slope, which is going to be the waterfall coming in as well. So we just keep on bringing in more of this gravel until we get all of this backfilled, and that creates a good solid foundation for everything. All right, so down here in the bottom, inset into our walls, we have our bulkheads for the jet lines that feed the bottom of the pond. That's going to push a lot of heavy circulation across the bottom to help with our buildup of debris over time on the bottom of the pond. We've got large 2-inch bulkheads here, which we can reduce down as we need to with threaded inserts. Also, if we need to direct any flow differently in the future, that will give us that flexibility to do that. But those go in and 90 up through the voids of these walls, and then we come out on the back side. So up here you can see both of those lines are fed into the plumbing that comes out of the back here and here. We're going to bring those together and tee out for our line that goes into the rest of the plumbing for the swim pond. That tee will disperse evenly through these jets here. We're going to be bringing anywhere from 6,000 to 8,000 gallons an hour through this 2-inch line that will be pushing across the bottom of the pond, giving a nice circulation jet across the bottom to keep debris from building up. So also down here on the bottom for this swim pond, we stepped up from the 6 feet of total depth of water to sort of a 4-foot shelf. So when we stepped up with the walls, we didn't build 6 feet deep for walls all the way over. We needed to step up here, so to help us get a foundation of gravel to continue the walls around, we have our big sturdy boulders down here as a base that's holding up this gravel to support where the walls step up. And a day or two, when we get the rest of our boulders, we're gonna be building up through here for that step transition. That's our progress so far, and we'll keep you updated.